Hey everybody, today we are going to quickly tackle the task how to open and pull files from games on Unity. The programs we will use are dnSpy and AssetStudio. Also, we will quickly understand the types of Mono and IL2CPP builds. Unity games can be made on one of these builds, namely Mono and IL2CPP. If it's Mono, you're in luck. Open the Manage folder inside the game, look for a file with the extension DLL. That's where the scripts are located. Next, open the dnSpy program. Just drag and drop assembly C# DLL inside and that's it. Here you can work with scripts. If the game build is on IL2CPP, everything is more complicated, but you can more or less understand it. First we use IL2CPP Dumper. In it we throw the file game assembly DLL and global metadata. As a result, we get assembly C# DLL, with which we can work in dnSpy. Run the AssetStudio program. In it, we just specify the path to the game folder. The program will scan the files with extensions .assets, shared assets, bundle and shows the list of contents. In summary, we have more or less briefly and quickly understood the builds of games on Unity, briefly understood the program and their work. If there will be any problems or unnecessaries, write in comments. Good luck to everyone.